Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a chocolate peanut butter oatmeal protein ball recipe. Now these are fantastic to have if you're craving something sweet or if you just get hungry in the middle of the day and it's gonna be a while before you get to eat again. These will definitely hold you over in between meals. And every time I make these, somebody asks me for the recipe. So I am going to put it out there to y'all. I got it from my friend Emma who shared them with me and I fell in love with them. So hopefully you will love them too. Let's get started. I just want to run down my list of ingredients quickly with you. I have 1 cup of oats, half a cup of peanut butter, a 1/4 cup coconut oil, or you can use coconut flakes. I think the original recipe called for coconut flakes, but I do not like the texture of those, so I use coconut oil and I love it. 1/4 cup chocolate chips or cocoa powder, 3 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of agave nectar, which I actually just do 4 tablespoons of honey because I don't have any agave nectar right now. 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 pinch of cinnamon, a pinch of salt, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. And then what you want to do is mix up your dry ingredients in one bowl and your other ingredients in another bowl. And then you combine them at the very end. I like to put my peanut butter and coconut oil and honey and vanilla in the microwave just for a second because a lot of times, especially today, it's a little bit cooler. In the summertime, I usually don't have to heat this stuff up, but in the wintertime I do. Now that I have my wet ingredients all combined, I'm just gonna add them into my dry ingredients here. Once you have everything mixed together, go ahead and pop the whole bowl in the refrigerator for a while, and then in about, half hour or so, go ahead and take it out to form into your snack size pieces. It's been about half an hour, so I'm gonna grab the mix out of the refrigerator and make my little snacks. I wanna make sure my hands are really clean because I'm about to handle these with my hands. I am gonna use my trusty little scoop here, and we're gonna put these together. And that's all there is to it, friends. Just turn them into snack size pieces that are the right size for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you try these out and you love them. Go ahead and give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and hit subscribe if you'd like to see more of my videos. I hope you have a wonderful day, friends. Bye.